It's tax time, y'all, and a lot of y'all are gonna get a little bag. Please don't blow it on something silly. Stick around. I'm gonna show you how you can turn that tax return, that little bag, into a t-shirt business, all right? Keep watching. Here goes. What's up, guys? Gary Ejene. And as I said before, man, it's tax time. And I know a lot of times, man, a lot of you guys get a nice little lump sum of money, what we call a bag. Not necessarily a bag. I say a little bag, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of you guys, I mean, it's your money. You can do whatever you want to with it. But y'all know a lot of y'all times, y'all blow it on some BS, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, gold chains, leather jackets, rims, oh God, I don't even want to say it. Jordans, trips, them debaucherous trips, Essence Fest, what's the name? All-Star Weekend, all these silly ass trips, just debauchery and nonsense. And I'm not saying don't do that. I'm just saying don't blow the whole bag, all right? Have an asset. You know, there was a movie called Baby Boy where he was talking about the guns and the butter, all right? You can blow a little bit on the butter, all right, but you want the guns. And this is all figurative, all right? Don't come to me with the gun control nonsense, all right? So, let me get into some stuff you can do. 10. All right, guys, it's sad that I have to say this, but I know too many people who try to do business on their cell phone. Now, I know that these cell phones are great, and I know that you love them, but guys, you need a computer. You need a real nice computer, not a tablet, not some old thing that your mom throw away that's as slow as damn molasses. You need a real computer, a nice computer to do your designs on. And contrary to popular belief, you don't necessarily need a Mac. You can get a nice PC, one of the lower end Macs, you can get a Surface, but you need a real whole computer with a whole operating system where you can get things like Photoshop and Illustrator on it. So get yourself a computer. 9. The next thing that you can do is you can get some designs. Now, if you have the computer, like I said before, you can get Photoshop and Illustrator. I'm gonna have links in the description box. But if not, if you don't wanna do all of that, I strongly suggest you get an account with something like Design Crowd, where you can go and spend a few dollars and get quality, and I mean high quality designs, all right? So get some designs. 8. Another thing you do is that since you're having a computer and you may want to design, you might want to get yourself a nice drawing tablet, okay? There's a Huion one, a Huang one, and there's going to be a link under the description box. Well, actually a card where you can check that out because I did a review, or you can get, there's plenty of them. I'm gonna have some links in the description box. So get yourself a drawing tablet if you're gonna design. 7. All right, guys, so after you get those designs, you want to get you some custom heat transfers, unless you're gonna get them screen printed, okay? You wanna get custom heat transfers. A company that I like is F&M Expressions. They're gonna have a link in the description box, so check them out. So get yourself some custom heat transfers, all right? Do something good with that money. 6. So, if you're gonna have transfers, you're gonna have to have a heat press. So get yourself a nice heat press. Now the Cadillac, the Rolls Royce, the Bugatti of heat presses is the hot electronics, okay? Especially the swing away joint. There's big sizes, there's smaller sizes. I'm gonna put some links in the description box, or you can just get one of the lower priced, for the beginners, the lower priced ones out of China. They're okay too. There's nothing like the Hottronics, but gotta do what you have to do. But if you blowing a bag, if you got a bag, you know what I'm saying? You got kids and you got a house and you got all type of head of household and deductions and all that stuff, you might could buy one. So make it happen. 5. Okay guys, so if you're gonna be starting a t-shirt business with your tax refund, you're gonna have to have some blanks. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? T-shirt blanks. I personally recommend Bella Canvas. They are nice, soft, supple, awesome, okay? So get yourself some Bella Canvas t-shirts. There's gonna be a link down in the description box. There's also gonna be a card up there, and it's right here. Go to Bella Canvas and make it happen. They give you the best quality for the best price. All right, that's that. Let's get to the next one. 4. The next one is, since you have some extra money, if you have a name, while you have this extra money, trademark your name so that it's yours, so that you own it, so that you lock it in. So go to uspto.gov. There's going to be a link right there. And also, if you want to have a company do it for you, I suggest these two. You can go to LegalZoom or you can go to incorporate.com. All right, these two will handle everything for you, because what will happen is that you go to uspto.gov and you don't do something right, you could possibly lose the money that you put in. So go to a professional and get it done right. Or if you think you can handle it, go to uspo.gov. But I'm just putting this out here so to let you know that there's places that you can go to make it happen for you. All right, on to the next one. 3. Okay guys, and while you have that money, okay, you get that money and burning a hole in your pocket, do something really great, which is legitimize yourself and get an LLC, okay? There's a couple of companies that I like to use. This is one of them. So get your LLC. There's also going to be a link down in the description box. So get your LLC and make it happen, all right? Let's go. 2. Now I have one right here. If you are a technical person and you really know how to do this, all right, I'm gonna suggest you take that money and you get yourself some screen printing equipment. But only do this if you are really a hands-on technical person. I used to have a screen printing business and I hated it, all right? So if you really wanna do it, take that money and get yourself some screen printing equipment, all right? 1. Now, this one right here, if you really got a bag, or if you want to put a down payment and finance the rest, I suggest that you get a DTG printer, okay? Personally, the Omni Print FreeJet, this is where you're really taking it to a whole nother level, all right? Get yourself a DTG machine. I mean, you throw it on there, you hit print, and bam, you got a t-shirt now. This is for people who are serious and who I think are a little bit more established in their t-shirt business and they're already making sales. So if you really want to take it to a whole nother level, get a DTG. All right, guys, now that I got your juices flowing, let's get into actually getting your tax refund. If you already have a CPA, you already go to somebody, you know what I'm saying, your mom's, cousins, aunties, grandmother does it for you, all right, by all means, make it happen. But if you don't, I'm gonna make some suggestions, okay? First one I'm gonna suggest is Liberty Tax, all right? Liberty Tax. And the other one I'm gonna suggest is eSmart Tax, okay? Make it happen, Captain. The links are gonna be down in the description box. You can do it. You can do it all online, electronically, and get your bag back in like a little in no time, all right? So make it happen, Captain. Don't do anything silly with your money or you can do a little something silly, but do something productive with your money when you get it back in 2019. Times is hard out here, so do something that's gonna last. Anyway, guys, do something good for somebody, and if you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself, like taking that bag and starting a t-shirt business. Until next time, cheers to your t-shirts. Finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. God bless, and I'm out.